When you started your own business, you did not think you would be spending your days drafting boring paperwork. No worry guys, I have a great solution for you because today I will review a software. This software is called Crove. This software can help you create smart templates and automate your document workflow without writing a line of code. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will explain what is Crove. Then I will explain Crove founders, Crove features, how to use Crove, Crove pros and cons, Crove pricing. Is Crove perfect for your business? So guys, what is Crove? Crove App is an online document generator that saves you time by automating the process of creating repetitive business documents. You can easily save your time while spreading the process of drafting business documents like contact, purchase order, invoice and receipts. When you can use Crove, you don't need editing the same document over and over again. You will be able to make your PDF and docs templates smart by adding variable and conditional logic. Crove founders. Gaurav is the created this software. Crove features. When you use this software, what they can provide? They can provide no watermark, unlimited template creation, design, rich template editor with logical condition, prompts with branching logic, API and webhook, support for 160 languages by Google Translate, access to library of 100 templates, 100 plus templates plus any future templates created, expression to edit Excel formula, side-by-side preview, list, disable document preview, file attachment, DPA for GDPR, custom fonts, teammate permission, customized name of generator document. When you use this software, you can easily use the template editor to create a template from scratch. You can just drag and drop variable and condition directly onto your document. You can also upload your existing PDF or docs templates directly. Then insert variable and conditional logic to make them intelligent. Plus, if you are not quite ready to build your own template, Crove also gives you access to pre-made template in the template gallery. Designed by professional in your industry, you can edit the pre-built template to fit your own needs. Save all the templates you create to your own template library. So all you have to do is search for the document template you need. If your form will be connected to your template, so you can generate a document as defined in your template whenever the form is filled. If you want to share your document with others people, you can just share your link with others and wait for their response to start rolling in. They can provide get public API access, incoming and outgoing webhook and third-party integration like Zyper Pably connect immediately. When you use API webhooks and integration, you can connect Crove to almost every web or mobile app out there to automate your document creation process. Guys, you can easily use this software with mobile app. You can easily automate your document creation process. You can just manage your all document just one Crove account. And they can also provide AWS cloud to keep your documents secure. You can be confident that your documents are always protected. How to use Crove?
Hi everyone, this is Gaurav, co-founder of Crove. In this video, I will give you 3 simple steps so that you can automate your business documents or any other document with Crove. Let's get started. The first step is find out all the repetitive fields which you have to fill in order to create a document. We call those repetitive fields as variables, and I have got a couple of variables in this template. One is a signature variable, another is a text variable, username, and these two are also text variable. It is very easy to create a variable which have to be filled. You go to the variables panel, click on the add button and name the variable and choose its type. I have used 2 types of variables here. One is username, which is a text variable, and another is a signature, which is a signature variable. Okay. Now, when your template is ready with all the variables, you simply have to click on this button and grab the link of the form which Crove automatically creates for you. When you open this form and fill it, you fill it or your customer fill it. This is a shareable public link. Crove will create a document for you and deliver it to your email. So I will give you an example where I'm filling my own name and I'm selecting my gender. One interesting thing I would like to show you here is when you see this preview, it shows me the word gentleman here. When I change the gender to female, it shows me the word madam here. So I will show you how I have created this logical condition to render different content in my document. So if you notice this gray area here, if you click this, it will open up a condition builder. Here, this gentleman word will only appear when gender is equal to male. Similarly, madam will appear when gender is equal to female. Now, how do you create this condition? It's very simple. Let's suppose I want to render this complete variable only and only if the gender is equal to male. I will select this paragraph. I will click on this condition builder. I will make my condition. I will write gender is equal to male, right? If gender is equal to male, then and only then this paragraph will appear. It's that simple. One another thing I would like to show you here is, here this date is automatically being populated, right? And similarly, if I enter the item price as 120 and 120, Crove is automatically going to calculate the total as 240. So how you do this mathematical calculation and automatic capture of the date, this is done using expressions. So if you click this existing expression, it shows you the definition today. And here, if you click this expression, it shows you sum, price item 1, price item 2, which are both the variables in my template. Right. Now, how do you create these expressions? Go to the expression panel here and add a new expression. It's simple. Once you are ready with your expression, you have to define it using this expression definition. You can also go to the advanced tab to write the code associated with the expression so that if you have a very different definition for which a function in Crove does not exist. Now, awesome. So you can fill a form, generate a document, deliver it to your email. What if you have got your data in your CRM or in Google Sheet and you want to send data from that application to Crove? For that, you have to click on this three-dot menu, go to connect to other apps and find any option which is good for your requirement to send data. For example, you can use Zapier, Integrately, Incoming Webhook to get data to this template which I've shown you and generate documents. Similarly, to deliver the created document to other application, you can go to the delivery tab and you will again find outgoing webhook this time, Zapier, Pipedream and Integrately. So this is how you create your template, variables, logical conditions, expressions in Crove and connect it with other application to automate your documents. I hope this video has helped you and now you will be able to automate your document and save your time. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, this is Gaurav, co-founder.
Crove pros and cons. Crove pros. It's very handy to use. This software is very easy. You can easily use this software. 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Guys, this software provides 14-day free trial. You don't need a required to credit card for sign up. Save a lot of time. When you use this software, you can easily save your time because you can easily create or automate your document without single line of code. Best for document automation. If you want to create document, this software is perfect for you. 60-day money back guarantee. This software Appsumo deal can provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. Live chat with 24-hour support. They can provide 24-hour and 7 days support. Crove cons. The document editor is clunky, but they say they can solution this problem quickly. This software does not work with Apple Safari. This is the pros and cons Crove software. Crove pricing. This software provides pricing 3 options: single, double and multiple. The single option, one-time purchase of $89. All features above included. 1000 document per month, 1 user. Double option, $178. One-time purchase, all features above included. Unlimited document per month, 5 user. Multiple option, one-time purchase of $267. All features above included. Unlimited document per month, 10 user. White labeling. When you purchasing this option, you can use 10 user for your member. Is Crove perfect for your business? Guys, if you are a marketer, small business owner, entrepreneur, real estate owner, marketing manager, whatever you are, this software is perfect for you, because every business needed document like contact, purchase order, invoice automatically create your business document to streamline your workflow without line of code. So you can easily save your time while exploring the process of drafting business document. So guys, I will highly recommend that you can buy this software. You can find this software in my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.